Welcome to day 5, my living in Hawaii adventure. I woke up to something new, at least since I've been here this trip. Sunshine out my window. But don't worry, it doesn't last. You see we had some beautiful skies there this morning. Well, it's still a work day. Friday, back to work. Let's go take a look. We got the ceiling joists up so we can put sheetrock up there and light fixtures. Hopefully we'll get that done today. And see, on our way to Home Depot, rain started. Cleared up at the end of the day, beautiful sunset. And let's take a look at the remodel and see, we got the light fixtures up in the ceiling. See the light switches and outlet here. Everything's coming along. Smash burgers for dinner.